I'm Angel Marie from ConvertKit. Let's go ahead and cover what that looks like to build a landing page in ConvertKit and share it. The first thing you'll do is click on Landing Pages and Forms. Then head to Create New and click Landing Page. Next, choose your landing page template. You can even filter the search by category to get more specific with the landing page design you prefer. From there, pick and choose the template of your choice. Next, you'll start customizing your landing page. Go ahead and give it a title, a high-converting headline, a descriptive copy, a high-quality image that you can upload from any of these three options from your computer, Unsplash, or even Instagram, and then go ahead and write a strong, customized call to action in your own voice to encourage visitors to subscribe. You can even utilize the convenient content block that appears on the left in certain parts of the landing page editor and add more creative components to your landing page, like additional imagery, links, icons, or feeds. When you're all done customizing your landing page, you can set up an automated incentive email that will send for you the minute someone clicks on your call to action button to subscribe. In today's example, we're giving away a free checklist. So to automatically deliver that freebie, you'll just need to head to Settings, Incentive, upload your freebie, or paste the URL link to it right here. Then you'll simply head to where you can edit the incentive email content by clicking here. You can customize this email to your liking by adding a personalized subject line, personalized email body content, and even editing the button that subscribers will click on in order to get the freebie that you had promised. When you're all done, you'll click Save, Save Again, and then head to Share so that you can share your landing page to the public and get them on your email list. Until next time, keep creating.